Ford F-250. The hood latch wouldn't release. Could not find anything on how to get it. So I pried up the hood just high enough that I could see that bolt and that bolt. Right there. Then I got a 1/4 inch socket, driver, ratchet, about 16-18 inches long. I put 2 of them together. I pried the hood up as much as I could, shoved the handle of a hammer in there to keep it up. I reached in there, removed those 2 bolts, and that got this thing to come up to here, but the back was still latched. So if you go through that hole right there, you can push in there and it hits that mechanism on the back side and will release your hood. Next step is to clean up all that corruption and work it so that the latch works. My cable was fine, it just wouldn't release. So once again, pry up on the hood, it was a 5/16 socket on a 1/4 inch ratchet is what I used, because it was small enough to get through the little crack that I created right here. Remove those 2 bolts, and then the whole hood will come up 5 or 6 inches. And then you can get in there through that little hole right there and push on the release, which releases the shiny silver one back there. Good luck.